Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find or schedule post on LinkedIn, right? So you have to click on this plus icon which is on the middle bottom here, and once I click on here I will able to see here there is a clock icon here. Click on it and here it will show all my schedule items. So here you can see if I just click on view all my schedule posts will be available here. For example, let me show you an example. I will just write here hello and I will schedule it as my schedule post, right? So here I can just click on, for example, I will change the time here and I will schedule this post. I will click on the next, right? And I will click on schedule. Now to find it, I will click on this post icon again. I will click on this clock icon, click on view all, and here you can see this is my schedule post, right? So I will just delete it for now. This is very easy to find. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe and like this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.